Today I'm going to start chapter number 5. Name of the chapter is Order of Operation. Okay, and exercise is 5A. So let us start today's video. But before starting this video, do subscribe this channel Magical Maths, as well as uh, press the bell icon so that you can get the notification as soon as I upload the video. Also, do comment, like, and subscribe the channel and share it with your friend. Okay, so let us start exercise 5A. Simplify question number 1. 28 minus 3 into 5 plus 4. Okay, so students, you must know the very first thing that the first what is the order of operation. The first step should be division, then second step should be multiplication, third step should be addition, and the fourth step should be subtraction. Okay, this is the first step, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth step. So with the help of these steps, or with the help of this order only, we will solve these question. Okay, so first of all, in this question, look at the question carefully. So which operation we will perform first? We will do multiplication, because division is not there in this question. So we will do multiplication first. So 28 minus 3 5s are 15 plus 4. Fine. Now what we will do? We will do addition. Okay. So we will do addition. So will you add 15 and 4? No. If you will add 15 and 4, you will get the wrong answer. Then what we will do? Because this 15 is negative. This 15 is negative. Okay. So we cannot add this positive 4 with negative. So what we will do? We will add the positive number with positive. This 28 is positive. So we will add 28 with 15. Okay, 28 with 15. So 28, sorry, I'm so sorry. We will add 28 with 4, because 28 positive and 4 is also positive. So 28 plus 4 is what? 32. Now 32 minus 15. Okay, 32 minus 15. So what is the value of 32 minus 15? 17. Okay, so the right answer is 17. In the same way, let us do the next question. Next question is question second. 42 minus 18 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. So from the order property, we will first do division. Okay, the 42 minus, if you divide 18 by 2, you will get 9. Okay, so you will get 9. So write 9 here, multiply by 3. Now do multiplication. So 42 minus 9 3s are 18. So 42 minus 18. So what is the value of 42 minus 18? 12 minus 8 is 4, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 24. Fine, this is the answer. Now let us do the next question. Let's do 4. 36 divided by 6, then plus 3 into 2. So divide this. First we will do division. So 36 divided by 6. So 6 6 are 36. Okay, so we will get 6. So write 6 here. Then plus 3 into 2. Now we will do multiplication. Okay, so because first we have to divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. So 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So this is the right answer. Fine. Next question 6. 8 minus 0 divided by 5. Now first we will divide. So 0 divided by 5 is 0. So 8 minus 0. Okay, and 8 minus 0 is 8. So the right answer is 8. Fine. Question number 7. 8 multiplied by 8 minus 6 multiplied by 6. So first we'll do multiply. So 8 8s are 64 minus 6 6 are 36. Now 64 minus 36. So 14 minus 6 8 and 5 minus 3 2. So your answer is 28. Okay. Next question number 9. 7 multiplied by 4 minus 12 divided by 6 minus 8. So first you will do division. So 7 into 4 minus 6 2s are 12. So you will get 2 minus 3. Then we will do multiplication. So 7 into 4 28 minus 2 minus 3. Okay. So now 28 minus 2 is 26. 26 minus 3. So 26 minus 3 is what? 20. Speak up. 23. Okay. So 23. This is your answer. Fine. So this is your answer. Now let us do the next question, which is now question 11. Question 11 is 8 minus 30 divided by 6 plus 7. Now divide 30 by 6. So you will get 6 5s are 35 you will get plus 7. Now what you will do? You will do addition. Okay. But you will add 7 with 8. Don't add 5 with 7. Okay. Because 5 is negative. So we will add the two positive numbers. So 7 plus 8 is what? 7 plus 8. When you will add 7 with 8, this 7 and this 8, so you will get 15. 15 minus 5 is 10. Okay, so your answer is 10. So do all the questions of all the parts. Okay, do all the parts means you have to do all the questions from 1 to 12 in your copy. Now question number 13. Question 13 says 502 multiplied by 1 minus 7 divided by 35 upon 10. Okay. So students, how to solve this? Look at this. First we will do multiplication. Okay, you can say first we have to do division. Okay, first division, then multiply, then add, then subtract. So first we will do division. So let us do now division. So this is the division. 35 upon 10 is what? 35 upon 10. If you divide 10 by 30, if you divide 35 by 10, you will get 10 3s are 30. 5 remainder, point, increase 0, 10 5s are 50. So finally your answer is 3.5. So write 50, 502 multiplied by 1 minus 7 divided by 3.5. Okay. Now again, if you divide 7 by 3.5, what you will get? If you divide 7 by 3.5, you will remove decimal and increase 0. So 70 upon 35. 35 ones are 35, 35 2s are 70. So you will get 2 here. So 502 multiplied by 1 minus 2. Okay, now 502 into 1 is 502 minus 2. So 502 minus 2 is 500, which is your answer. Okay. Now let us do question 15. 6 plus 2 divided by 1 upon 2 plus 1. First of all, the value of 1 upon 2 is 0.5. How? If you divide 1 by 2, increase, put a decimal and increase 1 0, 2 5s are 10. So it is actually 0.5. Okay. So I will write 0.5 instead of 1 upon 2. Now if you divide 2 to 0.5, okay, this is your rough work. So if you divide 2 by 0 0.5. So you will remove the decimal, increase 0. 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 24. So 6 plus 4 plus 1. Now 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So your answer is 11. Okay, this is the answer. Next is question 16. One upon 3 plus 4 upon 5 of 7 upon 5 divided by 1 whole 17 upon 25. So first of all, what you will do, you will write 1 upon 3 as it is, plus 4 upon 5 of means multiply 7 upon 5 divided by 25 ones are 25 and 25 plus 17 is 42. So write 42 upon 25. Okay, now I will write 1 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5 multiply by 7 upon 5. Change this division sign into multiply and reciprocate the fraction. This you have done in the division of fraction if you remember. Okay, so I will write 25 upon 42. Now as you can see, we have to multiply in all this. Okay, so let us now multiply. How to do? We have to see if we can reduce anything in cross. So yes, we can reduce. How? 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Okay, and 7 ones are 7, 7 6 are 42. Okay, so what we have got, 1 upon 3, this 1 upon 3, and then 4 into 1 into 1. So plus 4 upon this 6. Okay, now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So finally 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 3. So it will be 3 upon 3. And 3 upon 3, when you have same number in numerator and denominator, then your answer is 1. So your final answer is 1. Okay, this is your answer. So students, now your homework. You have to do all even questions. All even questions means question number 2, then 4, then 6, then question 8, then question 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. All even questions you have to do in homework. Okay, now let me tell you question number 20. Note down your homework, then I'm going to tell you question 20. So question 20 is 35 of 5 upon 7 divided by 3 whole 1 upon 3 of 3 upon 5 minus 3 whole 1 upon 7 of 2 whole 1 upon 3. So this is a long question, but don't worry, we will do step by step, so it will become easier. Okay, now 3 upon 5 of means multiply 5 upon 7 divide 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10. So 10 upon 3 of means multiply 3 upon 5 again minus 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 1 22, 22 upon 7 of means multiply 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 3. Okay, so first we have to do divide. So 35 multiply 5 upon 7, change the sign of divide into multiply and reciprocate the next fraction. So it will be 3 upon 10 multiply by 3 upon 5 minus 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 3. Now we have to do multiply. So we are multiplying here and here. So as you can see here, 5 5 cancel. Okay, then 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So finally 1, ignore all the 1. Okay, so 3 into 3 here upon 2, then minus, now here 7 cancel, 22 upon 3. So this you have got. Okay, now take the LCM of 2 and 3. So the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 3s are 6. Okay, 3 will be multiplied to these 2 3, so it will become 3 into 3 into 3 minus 3 2s are 6, so 22 into 2. So finally 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 44 upon 6. So what is your answer? Okay, so 44 minus 27 is put 7 here, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So minus 17 upon 6. This will be your answer. Fine. Thank you.